Best green screen app for beginners. Let's get started. CapCut is honestly the best place to start. It's made by same people behind TikTok, so it's perfect for quick, trendy videos. You just drop in your video, tap the Chroma key tool, pick the green area, adjust the slider, and boom, your background disappears. It works on both iPhone and Android and comes loaded with music, filters, and text effects, so you can make cool edits in minutes. If you want a bit more control and plan to layer more clips or fine-tune your green screen, KineMaster is a great setup. It lets you adjust exactly how much green to erase and add lots of text, transitions, and voiceovers. But the free version puts a small watermark on your final video unless you pay. InShot is another beginner-friendly app, best for short Instagram stories, reels, or TikToks. Its green screen tool is simple and works fine for basic edits. Plus, you can add stickers, cute text, or music easily, but accept a watermark too if you don't pay. So these are best green screen app for beginners. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.